is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I am the trainer for all these trending technologies you see on my screen. And we start new batches every week very frequently at various timings to suit your learning needs. And MS SQL Transact SQL new batch from March 11, 10 to 11, mainly for data engineers, data analysts, and SQL developers. Azure Data Engineer more into cloud computing and big data technologies with various activities like data factory, Databricks, stream analytics, and so on. New batch from March 10, 9 to 10 p.m. And we have Fabric Data Engineer, a AI and Microsoft Copilot based ETL warehousing big data technology program, and it is starting from March 10th, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. SQL DBA, Azure DBA are at various timings mainly from administration activities. If you are having some gap in your resume, if you are looking for something into less kind of coding, if you are from non-IT, then my preference would be number 4 Power BI, Data Analyst program, one of the trending technology in the job market. New batch from March 17th, 9 to 10 a.m. So there are two trending technologies here, Data Engineer, Data Analyst. You can choose any of them. If not, maybe DBA as per your choice. I assure you practical step-by-step classes with full resume guidance and good amount of scenario-based activities. See you in the live class. Thank you.
Follow the